Hey guys, how's it going? I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I would take this opportunity to do a quick unboxing vid of this FMS 70mm T-45 Goshawk. My buddy Rick just got this, gave it to me, and I'm going to put it together for him. I'm going to put a gyro receiver in here for him and get that all set up in the radio, and we're going to take it out to the field and try to get a flight in this weekend. So without any further ado, let's get open the box and see what's in here. This looks like a beauty. I have the Free Wing Hawk, which is really the same airplane, I believe. It's a 70mm that runs on a 6-cell, just like this. Quickly, we'll go over the specs on this real quick. This is a 70mm EDF that runs on a 6-cell pack. Wingspan is 37.8 inches. The length is just over 40 inches. This is the plug and play, so it comes with the motor, which is a 2860 kV 1850 motor, 70 amp ESC. All the servos are in here. It says it takes a battery that's a 6S 3300 to 4000, 35C or greater. We've flown like 5,000 milliamp batteries in these size planes without any problems, so I'm not anticipating this being any different. So let's open this up and see what we got. Looks like the packaging is pretty good here. Let's see. Alright, sitting in the box behind here. Okay, so if you can see this, we've got everything packed up pretty nice, pretty safe up top. Looks like we've got some graphics. Let me get a knife to cut that open. So it looks like we're putting on our own decals here. Yep, that's what it is. Okay, so we've got some Navy decals here. These look pretty nice. We're going to have to... Won't even have to cut them out. They're not watermark graphics at all. Just going to have to peel and stick, so shouldn't be too tough for these. We'll set these aside. We got the manual here, and these manuals are getting better and better, just as these foam planes are getting better and better. I mean, I'm amazed at the quality of these Free Wing FMS products that are coming out now. Like I said to you, this is the plug and play version, so up top you can see we've got the main wing, and we've got the retracts already in there, servos, flaps, all that. So let's open this up and have a closer look. Okay, coming out first is the main wing. So here we got that. It's we got a pretty good sized cheater hole in here. Pretty common on a lot of these planes. I'll take it out of the plastic here and have a quick look. Looks nice. I mean, the paint, the finish is all good. These flaps look real nice in scale. Servos pre-installed. Everything. These are foam hinges, not nylon hinges, so they should last pretty good, but if they don't, you could always cut them out and put your nylon hinges in there. Everything looks pretty good. I like it. It's no lights on this one, at least not on the main wing. And that's okay with me. That's weight we don't need. But these retracts look nice. So real nice, as a matter of fact. I mean, nice springs, aluminum struts, pretty nice. Okay, setting the main wing aside. Moving on. And what else we got? Looks like next we're going to be pulling out the big fuselage here. So, bringing out the fuselage. It's packed real nice with these foam spacers, so nothing rubs on each other. Should not get any shipping rash on these at all, because they're packed pretty nice. Even got plastic up here on the cone. Yeah, this looks really good, guys. This looks really nice. So let me spin this around so you can see it. We've already got a nice 70 millimeter. Looks like this is the 12 blade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 12 blade on an in rudder. So this is a 12 blade 70 mil on an in rudder. I really like the in runner motors as opposed to the outrunner. So FMS makes really good power plants now. All their in runners, all their EDFs are really nice. I'm taking off the canopy here to have a quick look inside. Let me show you what we got. So we've got a nice little circuit board here, which is going to make wiring this up real nice and easy. I'm sure there's a manual that's going to show us everything on that. Things are marked on here for rudder, throttle, so it's going to be pretty easy. I'm seeing a lot of room for a battery here. It looks to be about 10 inches by 3.5 to 4 inches, so no problem at all getting a 5000 6L in here. We'll just have to probably push it all the way back, but plenty of room in here for any battery you want. 3300 on up to 5000 be my guess. So have a look at the lines here. The lines look really good. Here we've got our dual wheel front retract, and we've got spring strut on that one. Looks really good. The fit and finish is nice on here. It looks like everything is going to go together nice and easy. We've got pretty easy access here to the EDF. 3 screws, this pops out, and we can change out that EDF if we wanted to. So that's nice. Okay, so I'm going to put the canopy back on. It's got also a really nice spring latch system for the canopy here, and with the wood hole in it. So this is not going to be a problem as far as wear and tear. Clicks in there really nice, really firm. So that's the fuselage. Looks really nice. Setting that aside. Okay, not much left in the box. We have got our vertical with our rudder here. Again, the paint, the finish, the foam, all looks really nice. No nylon hinging here. This is just foam hinge, but again, not a big deal. I've used plenty of planes with that without a problem. So this is nice. This will be going right to the fuselage, held on by 1 screw, it looks like. So that's the vertical in the rudder, setting that aside. Okay, now it looks like the last thing we've got all the way at the bottom here, if you can see that, I'll pull them out. Horizontal stabilizers, 2 pieces. And with the elevators on the servos pre-installed, I'm not sure how these are going to go in, but my guess is they're probably going to screw in, but I don't see any screw holes on there. But if they need to glue in, no biggie. If they screw in, great. All these new planes are going together real quick and easy. And that's it, my friends. Nothing else left in the box. We do have a bag that has some hardware. And now looking at this, I see that we've got a tail hook for the Navy plane. We've got some screws here for the main wing and 1 screw for the rudder. So we may be gluing these in, not a big deal. And I don't see any glue in the bag, so if we do have to glue it, we're going to have to provide our own glue for that. And that's okay, because everybody has their own preference on that, whether they use 15-30 minute epoxy or rubber cement. Everybody's got their own thing they want to do for that. So that's it. Boy, that was a really quick unboxing, I'll tell you. Not much to it. So again, here's the parts with the hardware in it. Not much to it. 4 screws for the main wing, 1 for the rudder, vertical, and it looks like we've just got this looks like it's something that just goes on underneath part of the tail hook here, and the pitot tube up front. And again, a quick look at the horizontal stabilizers right there. Okay, well, I'm going to put this back in the box and sign off. This build's going to probably take all of 30 minutes from what I can see here. So I've flown several planes this size that run on 6-cell, and they fly great. And I expect this to be the same thing. So looking forward to getting this out to the field to mate in it. So maybe we'll do a video for that as well. Take care. Thanks for watching.